I'm going to show you a nervous system sequence that you can use at nighttime that uses somatic practices and something called bilateral stimulation. Bilateral stimulation stimulates both sides of the brain at the same time, which also activates your parasympathetic nervous system. This is the nervous system that helps calm your body. It's also used to treat anxiety, PTSD, and depression, and is great to use before bed to help reset your body so you can get a good night's sleep. For the first practice, you're going to put your hands like this and then place them on your chest. You're going to tap gently back and forth. This is called a butterfly hug, and you're going to do this for about 1 minute. Next, we're going to use our spine to signal to our nervous system that it's time to relax. Our spine is directly connected to our central nervous system, and it can help us release sympathetic or fight or flight energy. So for the second practice, you're going to do these circle spine movements that look like this for about 1 minute. And last, we're going to do bilateral eye movements. It's great to do this at the end of the day because your eyes carry the most tension from all of the emotional experiences you've had that day. So you might even feel like laughing, crying, or yawning when you're doing this, which is a great sign that your nervous system is going back into a regulated state. Here's what the third practice looks like. You're going to move your eyes on a diagonal. So if you start with the top left, you're going to move your eyes slowly down through center and ending in the bottom right. And then reverse. You're going to do that for about 1 minute, and you should feel your nervous system calm down so you can get ready for bed.